A lot of work is an understatement, because with tons of progress came even more fatigue.
I know.
I'm dehydrated.
Chandler, how you doing, buddy? You don't look so hot. You feeling all right?
Feeling sick. I don't know how far away we are. Feels like it's been hours, 2 hours at least. And we've built a boat for 6 days straight, 12 hours a day, so we're all tired.
I don't know why. My shoulder's fried. Chandler, I might need you to tap in for me.
I'm seeing stars, because I'm really hurting right now.
Dude, the sun is beaming. We are cooking like lobsters in the sun. I mean, this is excruciating. At this point, I genuinely don't know if we're gonna make it or not.
But as I've said all along, the current we are going to face inside of this channel is so strong that it will do everything to push us sideways into the deadly open ocean. And now we weren't hours away, but rather minutes.